Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Shopware 6 Price Drop Alert plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the customers to receive email alerts whenever a product is available at a lower price. Any customer can subscribe or unsubscribe for receiving a price drop alert for any product as required. Both logged in and guest customers will be able to subscribe to the price drop alert email. The users receive email notifications whenever they click on the subscribe button at the product page. The registered users can unsubscribe from the price drop alert from their respective account panel and the mail as well. Apart from that, the admin can change the subscription status of a user from the backend panel as well. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how the customers would be able to subscribe to a price drop alert and the email that they receive at the time of subscription, and whenever the product comes back into stock, at that time the price drop alert email would be received by the customer there. I'll also be showing you that as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So first I'll show you the guest user workflow. So you can see that right now I'm not logged into my customer account here. So as a guest user, we'll be subscribing to the price drop alert. So for that, here you can see that we have enabled the price drop alert for all of the products. It is possible for the admin to set the price drop alerts for specific products as well from the plugins configuration settings. So for now, we have applied the price drop alert to all of the products of the store using the general configuration there. So here you can see that on the product page we have the subscribe price drop alert option, and then we have two different fields. One is for the name field and for the email field. So let's get ahead and let's enter the details. So I'll enter the name of the customer, Peter Doe, and I'll enter the email here, and then I'll tap here on the submit button. As soon as I tap here on the submit button, a particular success message would be seen by the customer that you have subscribed successfully to the price drop alert for this product. And you can see that the subscription mail has been received by the guest customer. Hi Peter Doe, you have successfully subscribed for iPhone. We will notify you if the price of the product goes below the price. If you want to unsubscribe, you can unsubscribe for the same as well. So here are the details. You have successfully subscribed for the iPhone product. We will notify you if the price of the product goes below the price. If you want to unsubscribe, you can click here. Thanks and regards, John Smith, Webcool Shop. So the guest customers can also unsubscribe from the particular price drop alert by tapping here on the click here option, and here they can see the subscription mail that they have received after they have subscribed to the price drop alert for a particular product. Now let's go back. Now let's log into the admin backend panel of the Shopware 6 web store, and after login we'll be navigating to the product section, and we'll be making the product back in or we'll be loading the price of the product basically. So we have logged into the Shopware 6 backend panel, and here we'll navigate through catalog and products. So the product that we were having here was iPhone, for which the guest customer subscribed to the price drop alert. The customer received the subscribe mail. Now what we'll be doing is we'll be lowering the price of the product here. So here's the iPhone. So I'll go to the iPhone. Here I'll scroll down to the section for the prices. Here's the gross price. I'll set it to $120 or 120 euros, and I'll save it up. Now as soon as the price has been saved or the price has been lowered for the product, the price drop notification would be received. As you can see, hi Peter Doe, product iPhone price was decreased from 200 euros to 120 euros. You should purchase it now. Click on the link to purchase now. Thanks and regard, John Doe team. So here's the price drop alert that the guest user has received on his email, and from here he can tap on the iPhone to purchase it now. Let's go back. So if I refresh this page now, you can see that the price would also be decreased there to 120 euros. So this was the workflow of the guest customer, how the guest customers would be able to subscribe to the price drop alerts, and how they'll receive the price drop alert whenever the price of the product drops below the particular price on which they had subscribed to the price drop alert for the particular product there. Now let's log into the customer account here, and let me log into the customer account. Now the customers would have one option there for the subscribed product list, wherein they can see the complete list of the products for which they have subscribed to. So we have subscribed to the iPhone, so let me unsubscribe it. After unsubscribing, this would be removed from the particular subscribed product list, the particular product. Now let's go to the iPhone product at the front end. So I'm just showing you how the registered users would be able to subscribe to the price drop alerts there. So I'll go to the iPhone product. So for example, I want to subscribe to this particular product for price drop. I will see one subscribe price drop alert button on the product page. What I have to do is I have just to tap on the same, and you can see that you have subscribed successfully to the price drop alert for this particular product. And after this, the customer will receive one email on his registered email address there. So first I want to show you the unsubscription mail. Hi Michael Doe, let me close this out. You have successfully unsubscribed for the price drop alert on the iPhone. Now we will not notify you if the price of the product drops. So we unsubscribe this from the particular section there of the customer himself. Let me show you that. From the subscribed product list, we went to the particular product that we had subscribed to, and we tapped on the unsubscribe button, right? Now let me show you the subscription mail that the registered user has received. This is a subscription mail that the registered user has received. You have successfully subscribed for the iPhone. We will now notify you if the price of the product goes below the particular price. If you want to unsubscribe, you can click here, right? So this was the workflow there. Now if the price of the product falls below that particular level, let's set it to 100. At 120 we had subscribed to the price drop alert. Now if the price goes below $120, the customer will receive an email for the price drop alert for the product there. So we have made it as 100, and the price at which we had subscribed to the price drop alert was $120, and the email of the customer is test@webcool.com. So this is the particular price drop alert that the registered user has received. Hi Michael Doe, product iPhone's price was decreased from $120 to $100. You should purchase it now. Click here to purchase now. Thanks and regards, John Smith, Webcool Shop. Right? Now if I go to the iPhone product, now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you the rest of the workflow there. So to make the initial configuration settings, we need to go to settings. After you successfully install this particular plugin, you need to navigate to settings and then extensions. There you will find two options. One is the price drop alert and the price drop alert configuration. Under the price drop alert, let me open the price drop alert. The admin will find the price drop alert subscription log here for the different products. So here for the iPhone, you can see the customer email is test@webcool.com and this one, and the product price is being displayed here. The subscription date is visible here, and the subscription status is visible as well. So from here you can also delete the subscription status as well. So this was about the price drop alert subscription log. Then we have the price drop alert configuration. So under the price drop alert configuration, for the guest users, you can allow whether the guest users can subscribe to the price drop alerts or not for a particular product there. So you have to enable this toggle button to enable option, otherwise you can disable it as well. So let's set it as enabled. Then we have the configuration priority. So set the configuration priority here. The configuration priority can be set as general configuration or product configuration. If it's product configuration, then we need to add the products for which the price drop alerts would be available. So the allowed products for users, so you have to select those products here. Otherwise, if you go with the general configuration, then the price drop alert would be enabled for all of the products of the store there. Then we have different mail settings here for the price drop: subscribed configuration, unsubscribed configuration, So accordingly you can set up the price drop mail subject, the price drop mail that will be sent out to the customers, the subscribe mail heading, subscription mail for the product, the content for the same can be set up. And if you want, you can also set up the unsubscribe mail configuration here by setting up the unsubscribe mail subject and the content for the same. And lastly, what you need to do is you just need to tap here on the save button to save the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. That's the Shopware 6 price drop alert plugin. So yes, that was much about the Shopware 6 price drop alert plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this particular plugin allows the customers to receive email alerts whenever a product is available at a lower price. Any customer can subscribe or unsubscribe for receiving a price drop alert for any product. Both logged in and the guest customers will be able to subscribe to the price drop alert emails. The users receive email notifications whenever they click on the subscribe button or they are unsubscribing for the particular price drop alert. Registered users can unsubscribe from the price drop alert from their respective account panel and from the mail also. So I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.qvdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.